Hi friends, welcome to my channel Worlds of Animals. Friends, today my video is about cockatoo parrots. I will give you interesting information about cockatoo parrots and method how to train them with himself. Cockatoo is the most beautiful pet and birds of the world. There are 21 cockatoo different species belong to the cockatoo family parrots. They have different kind of colors. If you want to train them with himself, you have to give much more times to them, and they also demand a great deals means much more time to speak with them and play with them. You are not giving attention to them can depress them. They need healthy food, seeds, dry food, etc. Cockatoos are lively, affectionate birds. Cockatoo parrots cannot learn the language of humans. They don't have the abilities of talking. They are very close to their owners and they live closely. If you provide good socialization to them and train them with good manners, Cockatoo can learn how to solve a problem from watching another cockatoo parrots. Just do it once. Friends, watch these amazing cockatoo parrots. This is a couple of a cockatoo white parrots. This is another species of cockatoo parrots which have white and pink color. They have stand feathers on their heads. There is a romantic couple of one is macaw and second is cockatoo white parrots. These cockatoo parrot has black toes and black beaks. This cockatoo parrot has yellow feathers on his head which is standing. This one is another species of cockatoo parrot which is looking very handsome. They are dark blue in colored and white dark found on their bodies. This pink and white cockatoo parrot is very innocent. This one dark blue parrot has wide beak. If you train them with himself, they are very friendly to humans. This is cute family of cockatoo parrots which is very beautiful. Okay friends, thanks for watching.